Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss how we as Turner teachers can prevent cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place on an electronic device. Cyberbullying happens not only at home, but can also affect students at school as well. It is often thought of for only secondary students, but it can affect our elementary students too. Students today have more access to technology than ever before. This means that there are a greater number of students at risk of being cyberbullied. Cyberbullying has a major impact on our students, so we must be aware of what it is. Cyberbullying has many forms. They include sending messages that are hurtful or mean, posting private videos or pictures without permission or with an intent to hurt someone. It can also be taking on someone else's identity and impersonating them. Basically, if someone is being made fun of, threatened, harassed, or hurt online, they are being cyberbullied. It can take place at home or even at school. The number of students being cyberbullied continues to increase. On social media, students are using the social media chat functions frequently, and that's often where cyberbullying starts. It also goes through posted pictures, videos, and comments. Messaging online in either private text messages or even on Microsoft Teams are also another place where cyberbullying can take place. It also takes place through videos that are posted on YouTube and in the comment section. So what effects does this have on our students? It causes them to have low self-esteem, to become withdrawn, to become depressed, which can also lead to them having poor school performance and or later on drug and alcohol abuse problems. When it goes on without anyone intervening, it can also lead to suicide. So what can we do? When we know about it, we must intervene. We can do this by showing we care, listening to the students and referring them on to administrators and counselors when appropriate. We have policies in place to make sure that cyberbullying is addressed. Also, we need to keep the parents informed and communicate with them frequently. We also need to revisit digital citizenship lessons often to remind what's appropriate online behavior. Remember, we can make a difference. Help me in taking a stand against cyberbullying in Turner.